Honeywell dehumidifiers effectively pull moisture from the air, controlling humidity to help prevent mold and mildew. They're available in 45, 50, and 70 pint sizes, and ideal for rooms with high humidity such as basements, laundry, storage, and bathrooms. Energy Star certified, Honeywell dehumidifiers remove moisture with less energy than conventional dehumidifiers. Constructed with a strong body, a braced water tank, and durable casters, Honeywell dehumidifiers are built to last. Honeywell dehumidifiers have an adjustable humidistat with clear display for current and desired humidity levels. To be effective in different room environments, versatility is important when choosing a dehumidifier. Convenient and energy-saving, Honeywell dehumidifiers have smart humidistat controls that sense room humidity and activates dehumidification to maintain preset humidity levels. The adjustable relative humidity range is between 30% and 90%. They can operate in temperatures as low as 41 degrees. A tank full alert will sound when the water tank is full. There are two drainage options, manual or continuous. For manual drainage, the water tank is designed with a comfort grip handle and anti-spill tank stands that automatically extend to avoid annoying water spills. For continuous drainage, simply connect a water hose to the back of the unit that leads to a lower level sink or drain. Honeywell dehumidifiers operate quietly with a low sound output of up to 53 decibels. Honeywell dehumidifiers are easy to set up with simple controls. The easy access dust filter is washable for convenient cleaning. The dehumidifier is also programmed with an automatic restart feature to maintain your current settings in case of an unexpected power cut. Ergonomic handles and durable casters make it easy to roll from room to room with ease. Honeywell dehumidifiers come with a 5-year limited warranty, and our customer support team would be more than happy to help if you have any inquiries. Control humidity to help prevent mold and mildew with a Honeywell dehumidifier.
Thank you for taking a closer look at the Friedrich dehumidifier. Convenient and easy to use, Friedrich's dehumidifiers feature precise humidity control and continuous drainage operation. Our models can treat areas up to 2,500 square feet, extract 25, 50, or 70 pints of moisture every 24 hours, and can be set to humidity levels ranging from 30 to 90%. The sleek, modern design will not detract from your decor. With a built-in drain pump, you no longer have to continuously check the bucket to see if it's full. The pump will remove water up to 15 feet in any direction, allowing it to drain to a sink or out a window. These efficient Energy Star qualified models also provide a removable condensate bucket with a carry handle that holds up to 16 pints of water. With a washable slide-out filter, low ambient operation, automatic defrost cycle, and a 24-hour timer, these powerful dehumidifiers are ideal for living areas, storage areas, basements, and equipment rooms, anywhere moisture is a concern, because they provide reliable, convenient operation. Another great feature is the easy roll casters that allow you to move the unit from room to room with ease. When not in use, the unit can easily be stored in most closets. Investing in a Friedrich dehumidifier can help you protect your home and your health. A broad service network, a team of technical experts, and U.S.-based customer support ensure you get the prompt service you deserve. If you demand the best, it has to be a Friedrich, the experts in room air conditioning.
Introducing the Ivation dehumidifier. It's ENERGY STAR certified and super simple to set up. To get started, open the front panel, remove the wheels and drainage hose. Lie the dehumidifier on its side. The wheels click right in, and the embedded handles make moving this dehumidifier a breeze, even when it's full. Included is a 6-foot cable, so you can use it anywhere. Our intuitive smart display features an easy-to-read LCD and displays air moisture levels as well as your room temperature. It has 2 fan modes and an easy-to-use interface. Full humidity control, a water level window. The bucket includes an easy carry handle, and the filter is removable so you can wash it. It includes an optional hose hookup. Just run the hose through the drain lock and screw it onto the drain firmly. Breathe better air with the Ivation Auto Defrost and Auto Restart Dehumidifier. Get yours today.
Humidifiers with pump protect your home from mold and mildew caused by excess moisture. The internal condensate pump function makes them easiest to maintain. Our dehumidifiers with pump range from 50 to 95 pint moisture removal capacities. The high-capacity, stylish, and powerful Winter RPD 711 DWP Elite D-Series ENERGY STAR Portable Dehumidifier is the ultimate device for your dehumidifying needs. Capable of removing up to 70 pints of moisture from the air per day and featuring an internal condensate pump, you can trust it to operate at large volumes without interruption. The compact and portable design fits well in any home or workplace environment where high humidity is an issue. The humidity level can be set within a range of 35% to 85% relative humidity in 5% increments. When the set humidity level is reached, the compressor and fan will shut off, which makes our dehumidifier one of the quietest in the market. It is designed to conveniently restart when the room reaches within 10% of the desired humidity level. It can also resume the previous settings after a power outage. This dehumidifier offers multiple features such as comfort mode, which allows the unit to automatically control the room's humidity at a comfortable level, and continuous mode for uninterrupted operation regardless of humidity level. This dehumidifier is equipped with a 2-in-1 silver-coated washable pre-filter combo. The silver coating is designed to kill bacteria in the air. The main feature of these winter dehumidifiers is the internal condensate pump that can remove moisture out and up through the included 16.5-foot drain line with up to 15 feet of vertical lift. They are specifically designed for high-volume usage without having to worry about interrupted operation. ENERGY STAR rated, the Winter Elite Dehumidifier provides energy-efficient operation without sacrificing design and performance. The Winter ENERGY STAR Dehumidifiers with pump provide cost-effective and energy-efficient operation without sacrificing.
The Emerson Quiet Cool Dehumidifier is a new generation of dehumidification product. The model range from 30 to 70 pint. It comes with and without built-in pump. High levels of humidity create mold, mildew, musty smells, and bacteria in the house. Emerson QuietCool Dehumidifier protects your home or office from mold and mildew caused by excess moisture. It has 3 preset humidity controls, allowing you to select the right place with just the touch of a button. You can also control the exact level of humidity and airflow. The product is with casters that allow for easy movement to any space for convenience. Enjoy the dry comfort and fresh air anywhere in your home. The 24-hour on-off timer lets you set the unit to turn on or off automatically based on your needs. It has bucket full alert with auto shutoff. When the bucket is full, the indicator light turns on and the unit shuts off. It is a reminder to empty the bucket. It is easy to detach the bucket and remove the water. After 250 hours of operation, the unit will remind you to clean the filter. It is easy to access and clean the filter. The unit has a child lock feature to lock the electronic controls for child safety. The product is able to keep performance even at low temperature, down to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Emerson QuietCool provides you with comfort, efficiency, and reliability.
Air contains water vapor. Too much or too little humidity can be harmful to the human body and indoor home environment. The ideal indoor humidity is between 40% and 60%. The most common dehumidifier works by compressor and refrigerant. However, it's bulky, noisy, and inefficient in low temperature. Now we offer a new series of model using innovative desiccant rotor technology as a better solution. It's light, quiet, and remains high performance in a wider temperature range with no refrigerant required. Refrigerant has considerable GWP, and as one of the major greenhouse gases, it traps more heat in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide does. As a result, there are more and more restrictions imposed on it. Desiccant dehumidifiers use no refrigerant, so they are a more environmentally friendly product for the earth. Desiccant dehumidifiers run quietly by motor, while a compressor generates louder noise. Desiccant type is slim and light. It usually weighs only 5 to 8 kilograms and can be carried by seniors and female users easily. Compressor type is bulky and heavy and generally weighs over 12 kilograms. Desiccant type remains high performance even in low temperatures from 1 to 15 degrees. The performance of compressor dehumidifiers will drop along with temperature. Under 15 degrees, it would need to defrost and stop dehumidifying. The special coating on the desiccant rotor not only absorbs humidity, but also eliminates odor and bacteria. Desiccant dehumidifiers can also be used as a clothes dryer because it includes a heater as part of the dehumidification process and delivers warm, dry air. The way the desiccant dehumidifier works is by absorbing moisture with a ceramic composite rotor. The rotor is soaked with zeolite absorbent, which is very good at absorbing moisture and other molecules due to its three-dimensional porous structure. Moisture captured in the pores will evaporate by heat and transform into water again when it goes through the condenser. By repeating the cycle, the air eventually becomes drier. It's a pure physical process and causes no chemical or harmful exhaust at all. The Desiccant Dehumidifier, your new solution to remove excess moisture. Consistent performance, greener product, quiet operation, compact size, anti-odor and bacteria, ultimate dry and warm air. provided by the superior desiccant dehumidifier.